Hello there and welcome to the video. I bet you're just starting out in software engineering. In this video, we will talk about the software processes regarding the waterfall model. Hope this helps. Software process is actually a structured set of activities required to develop a software system, which contains 4 activities: specification, design, validation, and evolution. It also contains supporting activities. It contains 3 actually: documentation, configuration management, and also teamwork. Do you know this guy? This is Winston W. Royce. He is the one who developed the waterfall model. So, the waterfall model, what is it? The waterfall model is actually a linear sequential design. Its function is to separate and distinct phases of specification and development. It has 5 phases: requirements, design, implementation, system testing, and lastly, operation and maintenance. So the first step of the waterfall model is the requirements phase. The requirements phase is where we ask the client what they need and what the constraint for the system software. Why do we need the requirements phase? First of all, it's the most crucial phase and the only phase user involved. Second is that we need to find the needs and problems that a software need to address and solve. Third, we need to aim to come up with documentation requirements, and lastly, we need to define the requirements as clear as possible. The next step is the design phase. The design phase is where we design our software based on the user requirements. The design phase is where we figure out how the software will be built and how the system operates with certain hardware, software, network infrastructure, and also user interface. Its aim is to create a blueprint to satisfy all user requirements.
Implementation and unit test. Each unit is developed and tested for its functionality. Integration and system testing. Integration, your entire system is tested for any fault and failures. There are some issues which come up in the client environment. To fix those issues, features are released. Maintenance is done to deliver these changes in the customer environment.
Advantage of waterfall model. We love to see something that is neat and tidy. It is good for our understanding, so do waterfall model. It is more organized and detailed work. Next is all the testing and modification is done in the same phase. So chance of defect multiplication reduce. Moreover, it is easy to explain to the user. Other than that, it is developed in a better quality. We also know that people love something that have better quality. Moreover, waterfall model also easy to understand and implement. It have a better quality for project that has a short span time.
Disadvantage of waterfall model. First, once application in testing stage, it's difficult to go back and change something that was not well throughout in the concept stage. Next, it is not suitable for project where requirements are at moderate to high risk of changing. Then, it also not a good model for a complex and object-oriented project. And the last one, the disadvantage of waterfall model it is high amount of risk and uncertainty.
In conclusion, we know that the Waterfall Model is one of the software processes that can be used to develop a system software. I want to take this opportunity to say thanks for watching and see you in the next one.